This beautifully updated home and detached garage sits on 4.52 beautiful acres. The home has been updated to include new stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, new cabinets, freshly painted, updated and tiled bathrooms, new roof and windows installed 2018, new carpet 2018, and real oak hardwoods were refinished 2018, and the wood-burning stove has a new chimney all the way up through the roof. The master bedroom is plenty spacious and includes 2 large closets, knee-sized living room and a large mudroom laundry room. The detached garage has electricity and is a dream workshop for mechanics or woodworkers. In the back of the home is a nice large deck overlooking the beautiful acreage that the home and garage sit on. This home is in a perfect location to have the feel of country living while still being close to great schools, shopping,